There are people who thinks of Korea as a dangerous place. So in this condition, thinking of honeymoon here might appear a mad idea. However, what you hear from people who have only heard about it like you is not always true. Ask the same thing to those who have been here, and then you will find what real Korea is, and the idea of honeymoon here is not mad but very romantic and exotic. Do watch about the top 8 honeymoon ideas and see how beautiful honeymoon could be if you had chosen Korea as the destination. Here are the 8 honeymoon ideas in Korea. 1. Jiju Island. Located in the southern part of Korea, Jiju Island shares a unique landscape with the Korea. Recently it has come up as one of the favorite spot for honeymoon not only among Koreans but the entire world. The island offers a peaceful atmosphere located far from the bustling city of Seoul. Here at Jeju, visitors can find themselves amidst of several natural heritage which includes lava tubes, beautiful beaches, Halasan Mountain and many more. It is a fact that beaches make one of the favorite spot for visitors or honeymooners, and that is present here in its most refined form with clear turquoise water. 2. Hanbo Experience. Since the past 1,600 years, Korea has preserved its traditional clothing called as Hanbo. Not only a part of the traditional culture of Korea, but Hanbo is also a must experience with honeymooners. Although, today, Hanbo is worn only at special occasions such as national holidays or wedding parties, but it gives an experience to feel like a Korean in Korea. Girls may choose from a number of bright-colored hanbo while boys also have this option but not many. These look elegant and makes you more familiar with the Korean culture. 3. Chun Chi Waterfall. Having another name as the Pond of God, the waterfall shares a unique story of 7 fairies busy in the duty of the King of the Heaven came down from the clouds to bathe in the clear water of Chun Chi. The waterfall is 22 meters high and is guarded by several rare plants. There exists a subtropical path that leads to the waterfall and passes from a bridge under which you will be able to see wide array of koi, love, fishes. In the water of Chun Chi exists the eels. Visitors as well as honeymooners love to be here at night and wait for the eels to illuminate the pond and turn it into heaven of stars within no time. 4. Nami Island. The island is popular for various reasons, in which beauty comes first, and then other reasons like broadcasting of Korean dramas which were filmed here. Since 2002, after it was first filmed, the crowd to this place increased even more, and finally in 2006, the name island gained its cultural independence, thus becoming the Namanara Island, having its own flag, passport, stamps and currency. The island is a true symbol of nature, as you will be welcomed by various small animals like rabbits, squirrels and deer while walking the island, and the Forest of Sweethearts is yet to come that is even more famous for its changing seasons and the splendid view. Nami Island is one of the most popular destinations near Seoul that offers plenty of things to see and do. Visit Nami Island in Korea, one of the best tourist destinations near Seoul. Nami Island, located near Seoul, is one of the most popular destinations for tourists to Korea for its various natural and cultural attractions. While Nami Island is one of the popular shooting locations for Korean dramas and variety shows, including My Love from the Star, Secret Garden, and Running Man, it is most famous for being featured in the 2002 hit drama, Winter Sonata, starred by Bae Young-joon and Choi Ji-woo. On the island, you can find a statue of the main characters and a special photo zone for visitors to take pictures. There are also replicas of snowmen from the iconic kissing scene in Winter Sonata, or also known as the Snowmen Kiss, where the male lead character builds 2 snowmen, makes them kiss, and then steals a kiss from the female lead character. Try and recreate this scene with your other half while on Nami Island. 5. Yangduan Rock. Yangduan is also called the Dragon Head Rock of Korea. It is all because of these strong winds and waves flowing from thousands of years ago that have shaped the rock this way. There exists coastal road as well that is favorite among visitors, as from here one can watch the black rocks and the emerald blue water while driving along its picturesque coastal lines. Yangduan Rock serves the symbol of a dragon's unfulfilled dream. Once upon a time, a dragon that lived in the underwater palace wanted to ascend to heaven, which was not an easy task. The dragon found out that it could fly up to heaven by holding the orb of the Halcyon mountain god. So it stole the orb and hid itself under Yangyan Valley, but it was caught before it could ascend. It was struck by the arrow shot by the Halcyon mountain god, and while it was writhing in anger and resentment, it became a rock. Its total height above water is 10 meters and the underwater portion of the body is about 30 meters long. If you gaze into Yangduan Rock during sunset, you'll fall under the illusion that the dragon is actually writhing. In order to catch a good view of the rock, watching it from 100 meters west from the rock is most advisable. 6. Visit Trick Eye and Ice Museum. Without knowing anything about this museum, I would love to be here. It actually is an art gallery having paintings made using trompe-l'oeil techniques that trick the eye to view the 2D vision as 3D. Not only the visitors can watch the paintings but actually pose with them to make it look like they actually are at the real scene. On the other hand is present the Ice Museum that has impressive sculptures and ice slides. Make sure that you must bring a jacket or a sweater here as it is very cold. 7. Sungsan Il Chilbong. Being able to watch sunrise or sunset with your loved one is one of the most romantic feeling in the world. If you too believe so, then here is Sungsan Il Chilbong for you that bears the other name as the Sunrise Peak. Here at this point, you will find a huge crater at the top. Watching the sun rising from the crater with its bright yellow aura, especially during springtime, is magnificent feeling. For visitors, there are available trails where visitors climb and feast their eyes with the beautiful view of the entire island. 8. Hello Kitty Island. Unique name, isn't it? Sounds like a favorite spot of kids. It is really astonishing to see that it makes one of the favorite thing that most honeymooners like to do. Created in the year 1974, the Hello Kitty Island is actually an exhibition hall where you will find lovely Japanese characters popular among adults and kids both. There exists an art gallery, cafe and various exhibition where visitors can perform a number of activities. Hello Kitty Island is a site completely devoted to the world's most famous feline. This fictional character was created by designer Yuko Shimizu in the mid-1970s for the Japanese company Sanrio. On the first floor of the museum, you will discover the fascinating history of this adorable cat from its creation through to the present day. Find out the inspiration behind the design, how the character has evolved, and just why it is so popular across the globe. So, which is your favorite?